Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to create Amazon-style product galleries in WooCommerce using the WooGallery plugin. Ever wondered how Amazon's product gallery looks so smooth and interactive? The exciting part is, you can build the same experience on your own store using WooGallery. So, let's get started. First, go to the WooGallery Global Settings. Under the General Settings tab, you'll find the Gallery Layouts option. From here, select the thumbs left layout. Next, go to Thumbnail Items Display Type and choose Custom. This will provide additional options. Now, set thumbnail items per view to 8 or 9 and adjust the vertical thumbnail's width to around 10%. Scroll down to Thumbnail Border Settings. Choose a color that matches your design and set the border radius to 15 to 20 pixels for a clean, modern look. Enable Thumbnails Activate on mouseover to create a smooth interaction. Next, set the active thumbnail style to opacity and make sure the active border width matches the normal border width for a consistent design. Then, choose your preferred active thumbnail color. Finally, increase the active thumbnail opacity level to full for maximum visibility. And that's it! That's how you can create Amazon-style product galleries using the WooGallery plugin. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our other tutorials for more helpful tips.